Draw a rectangle of size 285.75 by 285.75 mm. Create a copy and decrease size. Rotate to 45 degrees. Select Shape tool and drag the corners inside. Select this shape with the background and press R. Create a copy of this object. Drag the corners using shape tools. Decrease the size of the circle. Create a copy of this object and rotate to 45 degrees. Select both and press C. Place this object as shown here. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete this object. Draw a line using Freehand tool. Draw a rectangle. Rotate to 45 degrees. Hold the node and place it on the corner as shown here. Select Shape tool and drag. Select the shape and the line. Hold Ctrl and rotate. Press right-click to create a copy. Hold the node and place it on opposite side. Change color. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete these objects. Press Ctrl-Q to convert to curves. Select this node using Shape tool and click on Break Curve. Double-click on arrow to delete nodes. Select these nodes and click on Add Node. Double-click to delete. Increase line thickness to about 2 millimeters. Draw a circle, fill color and place it as shown here. Create a copy of line and delete both end nodes. Increase thickness to about 4 millimeters. Change the line cap style of this line. Create a copy of circle and place it on the midpoint. Select both the lines and press Ctrl-Shift-Q to convert outline to object. Change color. Weld these objects. Give dark shade to these objects. Hold Shift and decrease size of the circle. Power clip an image inside this object. Create a copy of this object. Fill white color to both.
Convert to bitmap.
Again, go to Bitmap, Custom, Bump Map. Select Style and do the settings as shown here and press OK. Power clip it inside the background. Select all, remove outline and group.